Hello, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a rock photo holder. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you weren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what you will need. Some rocks, some wire, needle nose pliers, acrylic paint, and beads, optional. Step 1. First, you will want to paint a solid color onto your rocks. Mine needed a few coats to make them opaque. After the paint is dry, you can go in and add some patterns with a smaller brush. Step 2. Take your wire and wrap it around a pen or marker a few times. Step 3. Straighten out the rest of the wire underneath the loop that you just created. Wrap the wire around the rock. And that's it! You can easily stick photos in between the wire loops to hold them upright. Stay tuned next week at 4 for a new Tween DIY. We're going to be making washi tape covers for your light switches and outlet covers. Feel free to share any pictures you take of your rock photo holder with us on our Facebook page.